So I got to see another dog today. Helen? Where's Helen? Where is the dog?
Take Miss quick first and then... Go down to the car. She's in the car. We're getting nuts.
Our dog's a girl. Oh! Oh my god.
Hello. Hello. This is good. But she's got bitten by a flea last week, 2 weeks ago, and she bites her thumb. And she's
So what breed is she again?
a golden retriever, but she's a working one, so she's smaller. She's so well behaved. And so lovely. Maisie.
Maisie, hello.
Such a good girl.
Hello. Hey.
I took her to Charlotte's house. She sat on the sofa with us. She went to Charlotte's house, yeah.
She's basically like Labrador, isn't she? Really?
So she's a golden retriever, but she's a working one, so her parents are champions.
She's like a Labrador.
Maisie.
Maisie.
She knows where the water is.
Hello.
She knows, yeah. She's looking that way, going, yeah, you can take me to the lake then.
You go to the gym. You go to the gym. Hello, baby. Hello.
Does she want a drink? Should I get her a drink?
A drink?
Should I get her a bowl of water or something? Let's have a look.
But seriously, she's going to... You can't. You're not going to water yet. You don't drink water.
You take her for a walk.
Candy.
Yeah, and get shoes on.
Maisie.
No, wait, it's alright. Maisie! You're there in the house, come on. Maisie!
She's farting out here, chat. Go get your shoes on.
Maisie!
Maisie.
Maisie! Hello, baby! Hello!
Is that loud in there? Maisie, come.
Hello! We've got 2 dogs in the house now, and Rosie's been in here.
She's thirsty.
You're using one of my bowls.
That's alright, I'll clean it.
We're gonna going over river. Maisie!
No, don't delete it.
Run, run! Run! Oh wow! Whoa! Wow! Oh, made it! Heel! Are you tired? You are like Elsa. Yeah, you are. You bad bitch. You bad. Me. Is Maisie having a poo or is she just sitting? Oh, let her off. Maisie, mate, stop. No. I believe.
This is beautiful. I love it.
No motor vehicles allowed. Shut up. People take motorbikes in there all the time.
I'm going to do any motorbikes.
They need more dogs around here. Don't make tot and rotten with your cats. Maisie, are you going to sit down? Are you going to sit down and talk to me? Maisie?
Yeah, she's too busy.
Maisie, sit. Sit. Maisie. Maisie! Maisie. Maisie, sit. Maisie. Sit down. No. Maisie. Maisie, sit. 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 Sit, baby girl. Sit down. Sit. Ven akka. Ven. No, that means come here. Hello, baby girl. Hello. Ah!
We found these really weird things we went for a walk with Charlotte. Like they were caterpillars and they were that long and they're bright orange. They look like centipedes.
What were they? Massive.
You know like the African centipede? Yeah.
Were they absolutely ginormous?
Yeah.
What the hell?
I've got pictures.
In the UK?
I'll send it to
If you go over that way, I'm curious. It's over there. See, I've got Zoom on my phone. Hey. I don't see no reason why I can't take motor vehicles in here. It's perfect.
John, I'll ask him if he knew what they were.
Helen, I'd love being in one of them bedrooms of just being able to look over at this at night. That'd be so sick.
3 o'clock. If you want to go and see these couples, they're going to their new homes on Saturday, so you can go and see them later.
Yeah, that's
They'll
right.
have to be back at 3 o'clock.
Yeah, that's just cool. Maisie! Maisie! Why did you just stop? Why is she...
That's 10.
Has she been spaded or not?
No, I think it's
No, she hasn't. Ah! Yeah, you better not. She eating the grass.
That's not
Whoa! Oh yeah. Maisie. Maisie. Oh no. Stop. What is in your mouth? Maisie. 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 Give me kitty. Give me kitty. Give me kitty. Give me kitty. Oh, good girl.
She doesn't like food. Like she's a
Maisie, kiss me.
eater.
Maisie, kiss me. She actually knows how to do it.
It's like far breath now. I wouldn't want her kissing me.
Her breath ain't even like that. Look at you, smell nothing, mate.
If I was gonna, like, whenever you have the puppies are cute, even Benji, but her breath, I think it's because she eats bloody cat shit, she gets a chance.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Like when Georgie eats cat poo, right, he gets
But we
sick.
have to give her, like, she loves grass, she's a right pain.
Because normally when they eat grass, it's because they got a bit of an upset tongue.
Right, because she likes it.
No, the grass can be good for him as well, though.
But we have to, like, almost force feed her food.
My nan saw Benson was like that until he had